Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, it is another hot rocking day in the jungle, and we have got some beautiful Christmas Day skies. We had a cold front come through yesterday and left us with a bunch of rain and everything. But on the other side of it, man, look at all that sunshine. Look at all that sunshine. All right, so I'm just picking on the guys up north. And my girl, Alicia Jet Rose, she likes looking at the sunshine. She lives over there in England. I don't know if it gets like this too often over there. But good news is today is Christmas, and I hope everybody's having a Merry Christmas. And I had a great one already so far. And as you can see, I'm back in the garage because, man, I can't stay away and everything. But I got to take old Leroy for a ride this morning. Took him down to the gas station, put 11 gallons in there for 30 bucks. Yeah, Then I drove him around for a little while. He's a lot clankier and clunky, and he makes a lot of noise, and he groans, and he pops and everything. But he runs good. Got to get the timing adjusted a little bit better than on it. He's got a little clatter when it goes into fourth gear. But he also got a water leak, which I can't, imagine why. I mean, so, and because there's carpet laying there, I'm going to leave the doors open and let that air out a little bit. But let's see what I'm really up to today. And I know the last time we talked about Johnny, I was talking about mothballing him and putting him on the side corner for that Monte Carlo, that one right there, if I move my finger. But I went over there and I looked at that car, and in typical G-body Monte Carlo fashion, every one of them I own has the same problem, roof issues. So I'm going to hold off on that, and I decided that, man, Johnny is close to running. What do I got to do to get Johnny running? Well, one of the biggest things I got to do to get Johnny on the road and all this kind of stuff is get a windshield in it. And I was going to order one from eBay for $279, and then I checked with the people across the street over here, and they can install one for $220. So this week I'm going to get the windshield put in this truck, and that'll make it a truck again, and we can throw the doors back on it and start doing body work and all that other kind of stuff. But in order for me to put the windshield in, what I needed to do was clean up this area where I put that panel out of the Blazer into this truck and had to seam it together. Well, anywhere you got these little welds, you're going to have these little divot kind of thingies. And I can't grind all that out of there because then I'm just grinding through my parent metal and everything. So I didn't want to just go and put some Bondo over that and start smoothing that out. I decided that I'd get my little sandblaster out and blast the crap out of it so that I can, know that all them little nooks and crannies are clean. It's been a while since I did this, so yeah. So that's what I've done already this morning. Was I went ahead and blasted that. Had to do a little welding over here in the corner this week on that. And then I had to do a little welding over here by the windshield wiper deal. And, I kind of messed up there and burned my windshield wiper dealie up. It caught on fire. I didn't realize it was plastic. So, and this area right here, I sandblasted, but I was going to just sandblast and kind of go with it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and cut that piece out right there and re-weld a new piece in. It's going to be kind of hard. I'm right up against this dash, and I don't want to take the dash out, but I don't know what else to do. I need to do something with that because the windshield sits right there, and yeah, right along this track right here is where the windshield needs to sit. So it's not so bad. I mean, it would be inside the windshield. I'm going to look and see what I'm going to do on that. But right now what I've got is a pot of epoxy primer cooking up so that I can put some epoxy in that. And my thought process is using the paint gun, I'm going to blow it into all the little crevices. And then when I put the Bondo on top of it to smooth that out, because it's not perfectly straight going along there. When I do that, then I won't get little pits of rust coming back because there's inevitably there's going to be an air pocket or somewhere along there where that Bondo sits. But I did get some Johnny, got him some Christmas gifts. Santa Claus brought him a brand new gas tank, a brand new Senate unit, and a brand new Quantum LS swap pump. So I got all that in stock. So, yeah. Time to make Johnny be good. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got on a Christmas day here in the shop, rocking it down, getting them down, and making them sound. And I hope you are all having a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, whatever you want to say in your little world that you live in. All right, guys. Petey Donkey says hello. Hey, made it through another Christmas. All right, guys. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Got some grinding it down to do. Talk to y'all next time.